colors you want to start with or you want to go? What's the stop?
Let it go. Release.
Not
Proper.
Gunny.
White should be your last color.
Paint it pretty. Pretty. It is iridescent, so it might sparkle the rest of it.
Oh, perfect.
So what else would you like?
Yeah.
What else?
The gold or the red?
That's it?
Sure. Well, I don't, yeah.
Okay.
She doesn't know what she wants. Sounds like.
Well, I've never
Here's Gunny.
seen her do it, so I wouldn't know.
Oh my God.
Paint it pretty.
Oh, nice! Yay! Good girl! Good girl!
Oh, wasn't that subtle?
Nice.
Nice finishing touch. Yes, that would be great.
Very subtle lines.
That's right. It was very gentle.
Paint it pretty.
Nice. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, good girl! Oh, beautiful! Tuck down.
That's fine. That looks
down.
great.
You want that?
Sure. Well, if you think it looks fine to me, if you want
I think one more stroke of red.
one more stroke of red.
What you doing? That actually looks like a...
Actually, you know what?
What are the three Y's and then there's something involved? You do a
It's
couple.
called Mr. Spock.
Oh, and she's got the V, which is perfect.
Not
Paint
anymore.
it pretty.
Oh, good girl! Good, good, good girl!
Very good.
I think that's enough.
That's-
Good
that
girl.
was perfect.
That